There we go, a Christmas Day fish. We're going along there to try for some cod. So when I get along, I'll show you all the bits and bobs when I get set up. I'll see you in a while. Ta-ra. How far to go now? Some lovely little skis there. I think that's the doctor's house over there. Away. Well, here we are on the mark. It's a lovely bit sea running there. It's what you want if you want a few codling. Fingers crossed. Right, I've got the rod set up there. Got the bullseye. The Comp SS. The standard pulley rig. 6-ounce grip and blacks and cart wing. So let's get this out. I'll get back to you in a while. You just got to try and get yourself balanced. The rocks is all up and down. Right, let's get this out. So we can get on the cod. Come on, you coddies. Right, I'll get back to you if I get out this cast. So I'll see you in a while. My mate's over there, and I'm up here. I've come up here a bit higher in case them swells come up when the tide comes in. Looks perfect. There's my mate getting a bite. First cast, he's just died in. Let's hope it's good signs. Oh well, let's get some fish out so I can show you. Lovely. There's my mate. He's got a fish on. Don't know what it is, but it's a fish. A fish. Oh, it's a collie. But he's off the blank. Get in. So what are you going to do with that? There you go. Oh, let's get back over here. Like a mountain goat. Oh, it gives a bite. Right, I'll get back to you when I get a fish. Got a couple of bites there. Looks like a collie as well. Oh, I'll get in. See what it is. You've got to be careful when it's slippy down here. I'm telling you. Yeah, it's no on. But bait change. Got a couple of nibbles there. Just waiting for the blank sabre. Because I've had out yet. Nothing. Well, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you get what you wanted. It's Christmas Day down here on Cullen Point. And it's my birthday. So why not spend it here fishing? So thank yous all for the cards and presents, much appreciated. So see if I can get you some fish out. Note. Qualities are just pecking away at the bait. I don't know what this mic sounds like. There's a little bit wind there. Not on there. I might see a couple of codling on the flood. It's low water now. Just have to wait it out. But in the meantime, we got them baits out and keep trying. Fish on. It's not very big. It's a collie, I think. But a fish is a fish. You'll not catch one sitting at home, will you? There you go. It's a collie. There you go. Let's get this one back. Well, you know what time it is. It's coffee and no pie today. That'll be sausage rolls instead. So let's get them in us. Nice cod for Christmas. Oh, and a nice one for my birthday. That would be nice. So till then, I'll see you in a bit. Sure. A big fat-headed sail swimming about round here. Is it a good sign or is it a bad sign? As long as it doesn't get on my line. There you go. Away, fish. A few little rattles there. They're a produce. Can you see it? Because I can't. Better get it in before that sail has a go on it. Away. It's time. Oh, a bit splashy there. Tide's flooding now. We might get a little bit naughty, a few sprays. Yeah. Well, I would like to thank Dave, one of the subscribers on the channel, who bought me a coffee. Thank you very much. You're a gentleman. It all goes on to come to these marks and goes towards buying bait, which you know it's very expensive. So I'm going to try and get a few fish out and give you a look. So thank you very much. Cheers, mate. Nothing on this time, nothing. Is that a canny pull down there, like? Eh? What does it sail? Busted sails back. Tighten her up a bit. I'll get out your way. I said I'll get out your way. Watch me rod for us. I'll have a sit down. Because I'm knackered of catching all these fish. I wish I could see that sail out there, just lying with me rod. About 80 yards off. As long as it stays away from me, I'll be happy. Happy days. As one man would say, happy dingleberries. Isn't that right, James? Right, I'll get back to you if I get out. Nah, I think it's Corley's like. It's Corley on. Yeah, looks like we've got another Corley here. Let's get it back. Corley billet. Got me rig a mess. See you later. It's not what we wanted, but all counts. Baits are just getting smashed off the Corleys. Straight away, Corley's rattling. Can it win? And wait for a car to get it first. Oh, I'll get this one in. No, weed. I'll be moving soon. It's getting a bit naughty. Right, I'll get back to you if I get out. Well, we're going to make that the last cast and head off home. Now it's drive back. So I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Ciao.